Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out or sign out your Gmail on your phone. So first up, open your Gmail account and you need to make sure that you log into your account and then tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. And now you have to tap this manage accounts on this device, the very bottom of your screen. And you will see a setup accounts and sync right here, and then you need to scroll it down and tap this Google, and here you can see all the accounts that you've been used for your on your Gmail. And if you want to remove one of those, you need to tap that Gmail. Now scroll down and finally tap on this more option at the bottom and tap on remove account. So if you tap this one, you will see a message pops up. Removing this account will delete all of his messages, contacts, and other data from the phone, including your Gmail. So tap this remove account and you will log out to your Gmail account on your phone. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.